Dear Honorable Judges, we are proud to present our project Origami-inspired 3D print-in-place artificial intelligence soft robot.
Soft robotics automation in food industry collaborates with human can lead to food and workplace safety during pandemic.
Current engineering problems are soft robots require cast molding, high assembly time and effort, large actuators and upfront actuation awareness due to absence of artificial intelligence.
Challenges and constraints involve conventional rigid robots requires different grippers for grasping various objects, and modular origami gripper requires meticulous folding of multiple rigid sheets.
Our engineering goals are to develop low-cost, easy assembly, and under-actuated real-world application of origami-inspired soft grippers and leg robots with artificial intelligence capability.
This is our preliminary setup 1. After observation and analysis, we designed a second 3D print-in-place origami-inspired soft gripper setup. Origami-compliant zigzag soft gripper is proven to have better performance compared to hard gripper using paired t-tests.
Logistic regression model shows a success rate of 0.8278.
Jetson Nano AI CNN ResNet 18 shows significant improvement with AI confidence recognition of 0.837.
We developed a origami-inspired compliance 3D print-in-place soft-legged robot 3D SLR, which is a 3D origami-inspired soft-legged robot which can emulate a rigid joint-legged robot as a real-world application.
In conclusion, all of our engineering goals are achieved.
Thank you.